How to copy the link of any location on Street View app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy the link of any location or a place on Google Street View. Now all what you have to do is choose the location that you want. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Now if you want to copy, for example, the link of this place, or all what you have to do is click on it like this. Now go down here, click on this icon as you can see, and now you will find copy to clipboard right here. Click on it. Now I just copied the link of this place as you can see, and I can share it with my friends easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.